So now we've cut all the fins and I've shaped it in a little bit. All we've got to do now is stick the membrane to the membrane. Now, this is a bit tricky. The same as the other side, we're going to use the same process. The only difference is we're not actually going to go on to the steel. All we're going to do is take the fins that we're going to do as before. All I'm doing is taping directly to the membrane to membrane. Again, the same as the other ways and methods of doing it. Keep the corners as tight as you can, because every time you keep the corner nice and tight, it's tidy, it's neat, and it'll help to make it easier for taping the tight of the corners. So what in effect I'm doing at the moment, I'm using the fins or the little slots that we've cut, hold it in position. Once we've done that all round, we've got it nice and we can then tape the membrane to the steel. Again, using the black duct tape instead of the blue tape, because I'm sticking to the steel. But that's only for demonstration purposes. Usually you will use the blue tape on every piece of Airtight. As you can see, you get a nice tight membrane in there. We can tape the steel, but also that holds it into position for you. So holding it into position with the fins. When it comes to the corners, you may still need to do at least that practice on that. So once again, if you were to cut a short piece of tape, over back on the corner, okay, two different directions. So what we've done is we've done a flat surface of tape that holds everything into position for you. And then we repeat the process with lacking onto the steel and your tape, the membrane. Then we seal around this outside. And then that way we get a perfect airtightness. I've used it many times, and this is my preferred method. But there's this way or the other side. Both should achieve a good result. Again, it's taking your time and paying just a little bit of attention to that finer detail.